one of our all-time favorites. Can be found on Groupon any day of the week. We're doing the sunset cruise, of course, booze cruise, but kid-friendly, so that's cool. There's the pirate ship, not the one we're going on. And yeah, we'll be catching the cruise soon.
We're going to stop boarding at this time. Make sure you're with your entire group, please. Once you step up, I'll sign you in and you're free to come aboard. Once on board, the bar is open right away. Please try to practice social distancing on board and remember to watch your step on the ramp as you're coming up here, guys. We're at a high tide right now.
Here we are! Cheers! There's copyrighted music in the background, so we won't be able to talk.
Also, take a moment, look around the boat, notice all the trash cans we have here on board. We do recycle here aboard the Tropics, so we do ask that you please take advantage of these trash cans. Make sure that your garbage finds its way into a receptacle. It does help to keep our oceans clean and friendly, which we certainly do appreciate. Now guys, we'll be looking for some wildlife out here tonight. Now, it's not guaranteed on our sunset cruises that we will see dolphins, however, it is very likely.
Too big for bumper boat.
Captain Florida. All right, let's relax. Now we've got a across the bridge, 15 feet out there, and that will continue on.